So the 3 things you must do before buying the new launch property. Number 1, knowing the amenities around and also walking the ground. So today, let me walk you from Serangoon Garden to the Garden Residences. So now, we are in Serangoon Garden and come with me. And point number 2, working out your finance and not utilizing the maximum loan you could get. So what do I mean by not getting the maximum loan you could get? So imagine the maximum loan you could get is $1 million. And if this property were to appreciate to $1.2 million, there is nothing much you could do with the appreciated amount. In the next scenario, let's say we could loan up to $1 million, but we only loan $800,000. And if this property were to appreciate to $1 million, you could actually unlock the appreciated amount in this property. So the third thing to do is knowing the view before even you purchase the property. So I hope you have enjoyed my video on these 3 things you must do before purchasing a property. And until next time, I see you. Thank you.